Is it?
Yeah.
Okay, I just got this and I just tore all the stuff off because I see Karen's handwriting and everything. And I'm gonna open it. Thanks guys. It's amazing. I just got home and it was hailing all day. I mean, the whole way was so cold. Yay! We got Band-Aids. Woo! My flip-flops for sauna. Instant noodles. Sushi crap. Yes. Tea! Oh. This means we can make sushi, Lucia. who's recording for me right now.
What is the
Bowls. Set of bowls, more shit. Yay! Panty liners, good. I need some pads. Dryer sheets. Woo! Alright. Thank you.